Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for my buddy 16 up in Moronville. Builds a Moron-made monster beam antennas. He wanted me to do him up a new radio, so we did just that. We did our tune alignment and voltage regulator upgrade and the clarifier mod. 16, let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. You asked for 2 watts all the way down, that way when you go to run your 8 pill you have full adjustability. We did just that. 50 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. Now, put that 100 watt slug in the corner. Let's go to 250 on the average. Hello. 125 average. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello. 250 watts in the corner. Let's roll the RF power all the way down. So we're at that 2 watt carrier. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Still swinging 250. So it's going to drive your amp really good. Going to cruise it right along. I think you're really going to like it. 16, my longtime friend. It is my pleasure to be able to build this radio for you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump.